All right, we're back. I'm gonna be at this grind now. I'm gonna post all summer. I don't even know, I have no plan at all. I'm just gonna post video and do whatever. That's the plan. Just post as much as I can. I think today, I'm just gonna back test, I think. Well, it's Sunday, I can't trade today. So I'm gonna back test and look at charts and all that shit. So let's get the screen up here. Hold on. Okay. Command Shift Command 5. No. I want to record. I want to record entire screen and this one. Okay. We're started. So I actually want to do a quick trade recap. Let's go back. Yeah, I know, paper trading, whatever. But if you can see here, I wasn't at this before. Count history. Where's the one that filled? Where is it? Positions. Where would it be? Was it Bitcoin? Pretty sure it was Bitcoin. Anyways, hold on. I gotta find this. No, I gotta find this. Bitcoin, US dollar. Yep, that's what it was. Can I please go on it? Oh. Okay. So, remember that trade? So, in the last video, I set this up. We remember it, don't we? Probably don't, but hold on, I gotta go find this. This one here. No, not this one. That's on gold. That's the one I have going right now. Fuck. History. Let's see. Go right to the bottom. This one. Ah, there we are. Okay, so remember, take profit was below this low? No, we're on a week. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to the hourly. Do you guys remember take profit was below this low right here? We got it. We decided, we figured out that our daily bias was obviously bearish. So we got our confirmation, order block was hit right here. I know we went in, I don't remember when we went in. I think we went in around here. I could be wrong, but it was here. We got confirmation, we went in, price went down. We got a little bit excited here, remember? Price went back up. We did have a break of structure though, right here to the upside. So it was kind of worrying me what was gonna happen. But again, we're bearish. So this here is an order block, or I think it was an imbalance. Even if it went back up to here, I know it would have went back down. There's no way we would have been going bullish in the day because we figured out with confirmation that we were bearish. Yes. So now, this is Bitcoin. Honestly, I'm gonna get away from this as much as I can. Hold on, let me check if this is recording because I got a problem with this thing just turning off on me. Okay, so we got a problem with this. We're not trading crypto. This is not gonna happen. That is not what I wanna do. I want to make sure that I master one pair, just one. So it's gonna be gold. We're gonna do gold. And I got MetaTrader today. So no more paper trading crap. We're gonna we're gonna log out of paper trading and we're gonna go under forex.com, baby. I don't even remember the password. That's not the password. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Forex.com. Okay. Look at our account balance. I think I took a trade. I made this account a long time ago. Yeah. I'm only logging in today. I took a trade a long time ago. Obviously I lost. I was at 50 grand. Okay. Let's backtest. Let's get rid of every single drawing here and let's show you, I want to show you my strategy. This is what I do. Actually, do I want to show you guys? Yeah, obviously I'm not going to fuck up. I'm gonna be super real. So I find a liquidity, or no. I start at high time frames. So if we go, why am I writing? My phone died. So fuck, I gotta get like a camera or something. This is fucked. Let's see. Shift Command 5. Record. Alright. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, remember where we left off? I don't know where we left off, to be honest with you, but let me just give you a recap of everything. Order block, dip, go. I'm staying biased with, I'm thinking we're gonna go up higher. That's what I think. Hold on, let me check. This motherfucker's still going. Okay, I think I deleted everything off that phone. I deleted absolutely everything off that phone. Okay. Daily bias today, seeing what the week could be like. A little weekly recap, start of a new week. There's a lot of shit going on right now, so I don't know what the market's gonna do, to be honest with you. So, what? Not trade the symbol. You can't trade the symbol on Forex at TradingView with Forex. Why? Okay, well, fuck that. We're gonna go back to paper trading, I guess. God damn it, this sucks. It's gotta be a reason. If you guys know, if anyone knows, let me know. Okay, well, we're doing real well on this account. But, whatever, I'll have it all figured out. I'm gonna get a demo on my own anyway. But, we see here, imbalance. Price fills it. So because price filled this and went past, we get rid of it. Dipped in, now we're gone. I'm thinking we're passing these highs. We're taking out this. Is the next move. Big move is gonna be that. It also depends on what goes on with all this. I gotta keep checking to see if this is going. Okay, it is. Anyways, yeah. So as for my bias, the weekly, I think it's gonna go up. I think we hit here. We filled this we filled the order block. We did go past the imbalance here, which is okay, but we filled that order block. That's our retracement tool. Let's go down to the daily. Let's keep looking. Do we get any break of structures anywhere? So we noticed that we hit this order block and we had a break of structure right here. So we're going. It looks like we're going. And from there, you know, maybe we could place an entry above this for tomorrow. We could place an entry to go high. But the thing is, what are we going to take out? This is a high. So I don't know where it could go because there's no entry points above that. This is literally as high as you'll get for gold right now. So I don't know. We're gonna have to take out this high. We'll take that high out. But as for a new high, that's kind of hard. I've never had to do that. Let's see. Where's price going to? Sort of, no. There's that low. There's that high. Filled that imbalance, or filled that equilibrium. What do we have here? It is an imbalance. Here is also an imbalance. Price went up. Hit it, went up. Filled here. Took off. Is come back down. We're bearish. So my goal, maybe, would be to take a short to a retracement tool. Now, I'm not doing this. I don't know how to do that yet or anything like that. But that's what I think can happen right now. So maybe that comes in here. Say price comes down, fills this, and we get a reaction. And we get a confirmation that we break structure to the upside from here. So we know that we're going to go up here. And what are we going to target? Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. And we're going to go above that, is what I think. But this here is our huge thing. This is our imbalance. Look, imbalance, imbalance, imbalance. It's everywhere. Like, this is a good trade that I'm probably going to take tomorrow. But that's only if price wants to find its way back down here. I need to fill here. Even if it comes back down into here, if it passes all those, honestly, I'd rather that to happen because this is an order block. There's going to be probably a liquidity sweep here from here as well. It's going to fill, and we're going above here, and we're targeting here, 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 or wherever, all these highs. So that's my plan. I got to keep checking this. This is fuckery. Keeps fucking me. Anyways, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do for tomorrow. I'm probably going to trade. Now, I know it's not real money or anything, but I don't want to risk any of my money right now. But we see, look, liquidity sweep, fall. Where's our order block? Order block is this leg up that caused the leg down. Price came up, filled it, and took down. Price coming up again, filling it. We need a retracement tool. Imbalance. Imbalance. They're everywhere. They're everywhere through this whole way. Imbalance here. Ooh, maybe price is going to come into this imbalance and go. But we have 2, 3, 4. Sorry, no, we need to get rid of these because it's past that. Right now we have still, there's an imbalance of liquidity everywhere here. Here, here. And if it hits any of this, look, it did. It did. It came in, filled it perfectly right to the bottom, took off. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go for a long position. It's my goal here. Did I write a bunch of stuff up here earlier? Pretty sure I did. Whatever. But hold on. We're not just going to go into it like that. We're going to have to scale down. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see. So in the 1 hour, we can see more imbalances. Look at imbalance right here. Could come in here and drop it. Go. What do we see? What can we do here? Equilibrium. I don't know how to use that yet, really. But what are we seeing here? We're bearish in the 1 hour. But we can see we broke structure. We broke it. We broke it right to the upside. We had a nice big candle. Price going to go into this possibly and go. But that's on the... Jesus. This is on the 1 hour. Like, we're having imbalances all through this area. It seems like this area here, something, price is shagging around. Look at all these big monster imbalances here. Doesn't do much here. It still lies in here. I know there's here as well. But price wants to go high. And look where we are right now. Look where we are on the 1 hour. We're in major consolidation. Not really, but kind of. What else do we see? Liquidity sweep. Go. Maybe it comes back down, fills it all. I don't know. Whatever. But that's going to be that kind of. I got to check again if it's still recording. Okay, good. But yeah, that's where my head is at for tomorrow for our trade. We want to scale back out. We want to look at the time frames. Look at the daily. Look. I don't like using trend lines or anything like that, but you know, I gotta use this for example. This is the leg down that caused that major bing boom or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Rally. Price went in. It filled it perfectly. Boom, we're gone. So, I don't know. Maybe it goes up, down, up, down, up. Seems like it's filling every single imbalance. See? Up, imbalance, filled, gone, up. Past this imbalance, almost touched back to here again. Gone. down. It's just touching this one. Price is going up. It just seems like it. Yeah, that might be a liquidity sweep right here. God damn it. Nope, I don't want that. But that's what I'm saying. Like, there's so much room for us to trade tomorrow. But again, there's a lot of bullshit going on right now. I want to look at this. I want to see so our equilibrium price is playing in here and going. Seems like it wanted to play here, gone again. It filled it, but also it went past that. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of it. Order block, gone. This is what I've learned in 2 weeks so far. I might not be profitable right away, but if I can chip away at it like this, I'm gonna kill it. Look at my P&L right now. Now I know my account is huge, but let's say if I had $1,000 in, I'd be up $900 in 2 weeks. No, I wouldn't. I don't know the math on that. And I don't know. I have this now for my position calculator. By the way, I'm gonna have this car eventually. This has been up now all year on my site or on my laptop. I'm not taking it away until I get it. Hope you know that. Anyways, but we can see here, all these imbalances are being filled. Fill, go. Past it, order block, gone. So I'm thinking tomorrow, this is the plan. This is a plan for tomorrow's trade. I'm gonna try and get a video quick. It's gonna hit here, but we also gotta wait for market to open. When does market open? 2 hours and 14 minutes. What? That's a lie. I think this is Asian session? I don't know. London? I don't know. I'm still learning that crap too. I don't know anything about that. Anyways, fuck off crypto. These are all I'm gonna be trading. So, any news tomorrow? Probably. After everything that's going on. Oh, tomorrow, see, we're not gonna trade. Flash manufacturing, no, that's not a big deal. No, these yellow ones don't matter. I don't know too much about this, but we'll see. We'll see. This is all for the Great Britain pound, not a big deal, but it will affect the US dollar. So if something affects the US dollar, price will most likely go down. Or gold most likely will go down. But I don't know 100% yet. Anyways, this is our plan for tomorrow. Hold on, to see if it's still going. If not, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, wait, low power mode. Is this still recording? I can't tell. Probably is. But yeah, anyways, that's gonna be all. Like, I want to keep talking about what I want to do in every video, but I'm just gonna have to start making videos like this and just do my thing, I guess. Liquidity sweep. Oh fuck, I got the wrong one. Jesus. Liquidity sweep up, gone. Retracement tool. We pick up here, we go, and we challenge these highs. That is the plan for tomorrow. But if it goes down here, okay, it's fine. If there's no reaction, we get rid of it. If it hits here and there's a reaction and we get a confirmation that it's going up in all time frames, we're going. So we're really just gonna lay down to what happens tomorrow on market open. Actually, market opens in I gotta understand that. I'm gonna ask AI about that crap anyway. Let's put this guy here. I like having that here like that. I think that's a good idea. I don't know. Maybe not many people do that. I don't even know. Hold on. I don't know. I'm just trying to understand it. Let's see what GPU is saying. Great British Brand New, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Let's get rid of all these drives. Okay, let's see. Let's see what. Ooh, what do we have here? Ooh, order block. Price didn't really come down in it. Again, now we're on the daily. Don't forget that. But that happened too. Okay, order block. What do we have here? Imbalance. Price went away into it. kind of caused a reaction. We didn't break structure yet, but what's this here? That's an imbalance. We're bearish. We're bearish. Seems like it's going to be bearish for the day. Let's have a look for the week. Broke that high. But look, price. Look at this. Look at this. Order block. No. Right here. I guess you could say price came up, dipped in, and we went. I guess you could have got confirmation here. And then you could have went all day. What would that even be? Would be nice, I guess. How many ticks is that? 2 ratio 2. That's fine. I still don't even understand that stuff yet. Anyways, that's that. And yeah, today is just looking at charts and weekly analysis, see what's going to happen. Maybe but I need to stop looking at that. I need to just focus on this. We're at an all-time high for gold. Basically what we're saying. We're right here. We're at it. Now, I don't know what's going to happen. I need to go check this out. Hold on. 12 months. Yeah, like look, if I don't make me off. Like if we look here, get that out of here. If we look here, what's this? In the yearly. No, it's not. Might be. Looks like an imbalance. I don't know. I could be wrong. But anyways, we're bullish and we're killing it. We are killing it with the bullish yearly. Imagine you entered here. I guess it's your confirmation that we're going up, but it's so much different to tell that. So you gotta keep going out 1 month. On the monthly, let's see. We're bullish. We're majorly bullish. We're just killing it here. Okay, whatever. I don't know. This is my favorite to see what happens. This is where price, this kind of shows me what price is going to do. What do we have here? Break structure to the downside. We can see we went right down. So this is probably what I would have done. Where was lost liquidity? No. I probably would have done it here. It's my pips at. Yeah, anyways. See that? Now from that, you would challenge these. That would have been my first, that would have been my first take profit. Second, third. I don't think I would have went all the way with that. I don't know. I still don't know. I'm still not even trading yet, man. But look at this. Order block. What happened? Dipped in. We're going down. What's the possibility that price could go back down here? We don't really know. But that's really not that far. If we look at the daily that we were looking at, like that's, if price go back down. We don't know. Yeah, we hit an order block, but again, this is an order block. The daily. I don't know. Anyways, is this still going? Look at that. It's still going. Anyways, that's all. Kind of just a weekly analysis and looking at charts and seeing what could happen for the week for tomorrow's trade. But I'm thinking tomorrow's market could be crazy because of what's going on right now. I don't really want to say anything about it. I don't really care. To be honest with you, it doesn't matter to me. But this is huge. I wish I kind of took a trade here. Confirmation would have been right here. I probably would have went in here. And yeah, I would have targeted that high and would have hit it. Damn. But anyways, that's all. I just want to show you guys where I'm at here and what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. I'm gonna kill it with this, is what I think. And I don't know. I just want to get into it. So, yeah. Did I record the screen? I did too. Anyways, that's it. See ya. I think. How do I get out of this? Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. See ya.